The Arch Wiki. This source of knowledge is very useful. As a matter of fact, almost everything related to GNU Linux exists in the Arch Wiki. And just to let you know, you can download the entire wiki to your machine. Arch User Repository. Every app you can think of is available in the AUR. It is one of the main selling points of Arch Linux. However, it is not safe. When you install something from the AUR, you put your 100% trust in a random person on the internet, because everything there is not officially supported by Arch Linux.
Oh, hell no!
So make sure to do your research before you attempt any installation. I get to flex and brag over the fact that I use Arch Linux. Steam Deck uses SteamOS, and this Linux distribution is based on Arch Linux, and that is very cool. I like the logo, it is blue. Unlike many other Linux distributions, Arch Linux gives you the choice to use whatever you like. You build your system according to your terms and taste. You do build your system from the desktop environment, window managers, display managers, fonts, file managers, everything. You are absolutely free under Arch Linux. I get updates every day, bugs don't take long to be fixed. Arch Linux is very stable, and the opposite is a myth. Your system being unstable comes down to a skill issue. If you call Arch Linux an unstable, unreliable distribution, it's a you problem.